Hi John. So now I'm going to show you how I make my Thai Chayan. I'll show you all the ingredients first, then the brewing process. Okay. So we have this, the Chayan pack that you have with you now. Okay. Then you will need Marigold King of Kings. Okay, evaporated milk. Then I have there's my daughter in the background. Then I have brown sugar. Okay. I also have this type of canister to hold the ready-made Chayan. Then I have the sock. Right. So this sock I told you is about 15 centimeters long, or in fact 20 centimeters long. Okay. And well, it's brown because I've used it to make a lot of Chayan. So later on, I'll need to fill this up to somewhere around here, 2/3. Okay. Then I use 2 normal big cups, right, that I actually put like the sock inside here, and then I pour the tea dust inside here. I'll show you later on. I need 2 mason's jar. Okay, this 2 mason's jar is because when I have already found that if I fill out the Chayan to this, up to the top of this handle, and then I add the brown sugar and the evaporated milk, it tastes very good. Okay, so let's start. Let's start. Can you go call mommy and put it? Okay, so I have an existing one, so I already made a slit. I made a slit down here, so then I can fold it in nicely. So this is how I put my Chayan in. Okay, so I'll just fill this in. Can you see this? Okay. Use a spoon. So it's about here. So you can see that if you open up, you can still see the Chayan down here, the tea dust down here. Okay, so excuse me, I'm making video. Okay, so I'm going to turn this video over here to see all the to see how I make this. Okay, so and bend this video a little bit lower so you can see this. Okay, so the first step is to get the tea in down here. Okay, as I said, you got to pull up and down, up and down. Aerating the tea is very important. Okay. Then transfer to the second one. And use this cup and then pour this in. This process of aeration is very important for teas. Let's switch this back to the first one. So the second one has the tea right now. Okay. Okay, so now I don't recommend you use this. You can use another cup to put this sock, like take a third one, put this here. So both hands are free. Take 1 mason's jar, take one a big cup, and then you pour. Around here is fine. You want it a bit more, it's also fine. Alright. Second one, pour. This one falls short because this is a lot smaller. So what I normally do is I just agar-ration. Just make sure the 2 are the same. Now this is the first pass of the tea, so it's really thick. So what I do is I add water. I add cold water until it reaches this mark. Okay. See? So until it reaches this mark. So it's here now, right? It's here now. I'll raise it until here. Okay, so I'll forget to show you. See, until here, alright? Now, the next important thing to do is sugar. Now, how much sugar to add is very important. Too sweet, it's not nice. Not sweet enough, the whole tea becomes siap one. Okay, I avoid condensed milk for obvious reasons. One, condensed milk, a lot of them are palm oil based, and second, condensed milk not exactly healthy. So, but we need the sweetness in there. So that's why I thought, and I don't want to use white sugar, cane sugar. Brown sugar has more health benefits. So this is the best part. We have a healthier Chayan. So 1 scoop of this, like that. Just about like that. 1, 2. Alright, 2. For the second cup. 2. Alright. Make sure it is not like that. This is too much. And like that is too little. Okay? So it has to be about just slightly above. Right? So I use another spoon to stir it so I don't mix the two, so that the spoon for the sugar is always dry. Okay, so now the magic King of Kings milk. Okay, just pour. How much milk to add depends on which pass are you at. If you are at your first pass, normally the Chayan will end up very orangey. Okay. So you can see by now that this is the really nice Thai milk tea color. Okay, so what I normally do is I pour both cups into the same container. Okay. Then I tarik the two. From inside. Okay, so now I'm going to do the second pass. Second pass tea. Okay. Transfer. Second one. Okay. Back to this cup. Then pour in, pour. Okay, balance it up a little bit. Now the second pass of the tea, do not add any more water, okay, to this, because it's starting to get diluted. So now sugar, remember it's about like that. 1, 2. Second cup, 1, 2. Okay. King of Kings milk. Okay. So dissolve the sugar first. Okay. And then in it goes. Okay. You can pour this back, get some of the sugar out. So. And that's it. You have your really nice Chayan rum. Let me show you. I'll show you in better lighting. Does this show you? Yeah, this is really nice Chayan. Okay? Cheers!